we are doing some drawing stuff in which we are going to make few, you can say, toys. So it is the best thing to kill the time if you are getting bored or you don't have anything to do. So I suggest you do something that I used to do as a child, but you know, I have different kind of talents. So I thought, why shouldn't I tell you guys about it? So let's start. Today we are going to make few soldiers using cardboard and colors, markers. These are the basic things we need. So we need scissor, marker, scale, pencil, rubber, sharpener. So let's start. First of all, let me tell you very important thing. Important thing is this cardboard we have. It is actually only one side have. We can only draw it on one side. So what we do is you can stick a paper on it like this one. I have done it already. So it looks like this right now. So you can draw it on both of the sides. So let's start. So as if I talk about myself, I am very professional at it, so I don't need to draw anything on it. But for you guys, what I'm going to do is draw first, then I'm going to cut it, and it is going to be very easy for you if I do it this way. Alright, so in start we need pencil and scale. So first of all, we will draw soldier's head. It will look a bit weird in start because we are only starting it. So try not to laugh, please. Alright, here we go. First of all, draw a line like this. Then you can do this. This square is going to be a head of our soldier, and his arms. Let's draw a line from the midsection. Then we will draw a line from here to here, and from here to this point. So now you can see it is beginning to look like a man. So keep watching, you will enjoy this, and it is going to look very beautiful, and you will be surprised because it will not look like this weird person. It will look very original when it is completed. So keep working. What I want you to do is draw one more line here for his legs. Now we need his waist. So draw one line from here and draw one line from here. Keep watching. Draw one line like this and one line from here. Okay, so now you can see this portion is his waist, chest, abdomen. So okay, let's make his legs. Let's make a point first so it is easier for us. Draw a line like this. It is his first leg, and for the second one. Okay, now he has head, 2 arms, 2 legs. Okay, so now it is the time to start cutting. Now watch very carefully because it could be a bit difficult for you because it is the beginning for you guys. Here we go. When you are cutting it, do not cut it to the end of the line, just leave it a bit up, then you go like this, because you are giving him his neck. Alright, and when you're cutting this way, so go a little bit taper here, so it looks like a shoulder. See, this is his neck and this is his head. Same thing from here. Do not cut all the way down, stop right there, go a little bit inside, and then this, and when you cut it from here, a bit taper. Now you can see his head is completed. Okay, so next thing is one more thing. As you're cutting it, you can erase the lines you have drawn before. Now this guy looks a little bit more legitimate. Okay, moving on. Now it's time to give him his arms. The most important thing, if you talk about man, arms is the important thing. Okay, so now we are giving him his hand. When you're cutting this thing, make sure you go very gently, easily, because if you go like this, you will chop off the whole arm, and he will be, you know what I'm trying to say here, he will look like a zombie then. So one arm completed. Okay, time to make another arm. Here we go. Just go with the markings you drawn. I hope it's not very much hard for you guys, but if you talk about me, it is child's play. Okay, time to give him his waist. Okay, I want you to do one thing here, because when you cut him from here, it is going to be a little bit difficult. So do this and this. Alright, it's like he's very happy. Okay, now we are going to cut him from here all the way up. Come on. I hope you're enjoying the video. Stay with us. This guy is going to be a very perfect human being. Okay, from here. So now he looks very smart, doesn't he? I think he looks perfect. Okay, so next part is going to be his legs. I think his legs are a little bit thin, so I'm going to cut it from a different position, a little bit from here. So keep cutting it all the way up to the hair, and then next leg. Come on. Okay, so here we go. Our soldier is now totally cutted. Now erase the previous lines here, from here, here. He looks beautiful, doesn't he? I think he looks perfect. So the next part is